Halasana, Plough Pose. Today we're going to look at Plough Pose, and I'm going to give you variations of how to do it if you've never done it before. So this is great for beginners, and it is a semi-inverted pose, so it's very important that you do watch the video on inversions. What are inversions? I will leave the link in the description box below, or you can catch it up here. So let's start. Hi, I'm Al from yogagangia.co.za, and you are at the right place if you want to heal your body and mind with yoga. Hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it, and you will be notified as soon as I upload any new videos. And don't forget to catch the tip of the day at the end of this video. Plough Pose. Now before we begin, we're going to look at the caution and the benefits. Who should take caution doing this pose? Well, if you suffer from any severe back or neck problems, then you should take caution. It depends on the severity of your problem. So if it's very extreme, rather not do it. For example, if you have a hernia, a sciatica, or high blood pressure, and of course slip disc. Now for the benefits. The benefits are great. It activates digestion and help with constipation, because we're using the core muscles to go into the pose, and everything gets massaged. And it promotes the production of insulin. It improves liver and kidney function, since we're massaging all the organs lower down. And of course it strengthens your abdominal muscles, and it relieves spasms in the lower back and the upper back, since you are in a bending position. Doing this of course stimulates your immune system and increase blood flow to the nerve centers in your spine. With Plough Pose, you must remember to do a counter pose afterwards. For example, Asana, the fish pose, just to counteract the bending. So we're going to bend this way, so you want to bend the opposite way. So any backward bending will be great for after your Plough Pose. So we're going to start now. So you come down onto your mat on your back into Shavasana. From here you place your hands palms down next to your body and legs together. Make sure there is enough space above your head. First, to get used to a semi-inverted pose, lift both legs up together straight, hold them up, and get a feeling of your legs being higher than your heart. You can make fists and place it under your buttocks to get the sensation of your legs and feet being over your head. Once you are used to this feeling, you can remove your hands and place them next to the body with the palms down. And you're going to try and lift the buttocks up into the air by using your core muscles. Once you can do that, you're going to activate the core and push up your feet over your head. Use your hands to help you in the lower back. You can stay here, resting your hips in your hands if you already feel the stretch in the back and the legs. Remember to keep the legs straight. When you are comfortable here, you can continue by try and work your feet towards the floor behind your head. If you cannot touch the floor with your toes, that is okay. Just feel the stretch in the back and the back of the legs. Use your hands on your lower back to guide you. Do not move your head in this final position. This is very important to protect your neck. Do not move your head. And this is Plough Pose. When you're ready to come out, use your hands and slowly lower your buttocks to the floor and lower your legs. This is for beginners. Once you feel comfortable with that, you can go into Plough Pose without using your hands by placing your hands next to your body and pressing into the palms of the hands. Inhale and retain the inhalation while you bring in your straight legs over your head until you are in the final position. Toes touching the floor. Bring your hands on your lower back to help you to bring your legs further over your head. Hold here, breathe slowly and deeply. Try bringing the elbows together so that they are in line with the shoulders. You're going to release the pose on an inhalation by holding the inhalation in when you're coming out of the pose. When you're ready, place your hands down and come out of the pose by using your core muscles, keeping the legs straight, roll down and bring the legs down to the floor. For beginners, you're going to hold the pose, if you can, for 15 seconds. And from there, you can increase the time as you get used to being in Plough Pose. Remember, your legs should be straight, even though the toes do not touch the floor. When you have completed your 15 seconds, slowly come out of the pose and prepare yourself for the backward bending of your choice. Tip of the day. We all sit a lot during the day, and sitting a lot can cause stiff hips and especially stiff back. So to help you, Plough Pose will help you a lot with a stiff back. But to increase your flexibility, get up every hour and walk around, and if you have the time or the space, do a couple of stretches just to help the flexibility of your back. If you're interested in some stretches that you can do in a chair, you can find a link for a video that I made for that in the description box below, or you can catch it up here. Now, go and click the like button and give me the thumbs up if this video helped you to understand Plough Pose. And for beginners, let me know how did it go in the comment section below. And thank you for watching. Ariom Tat Sat.